G'day all, I'm John McDonald. I'm up here at the Bairnsdale farm for LIL Bairnsdale. I've been asked to do a demonstration on fire extinguishers, but just before I do that, I will let you know I've got a minimum of 25 years experience with the CFA. I'm also a qualified First Lieutenant of our brigade. That's why I've been asked to give this small demonstration. Now these extinguishers, extremely good, work very good, but the only problem with them is they have a very short lifespan, as in from the time you activate them to the time you use them. The way to use these, and by the way, this extinguisher is a dry chem extinguisher, which we have available everywhere, all through all the farms. We're making this as being the fire. So the first thing you do is you pull the pin, that becomes active, what we call active. You get ready to hold it, you point at the base of the fire, and in a sweeping action, you release the extinguisher like this. And that should be it. The fire should be out. If not, these run out very quickly, like I've said and explained earlier. Ring emergency services ASAP. And good luck. Thank you very much. Any questions on how, why or what to do, please contact Denise and we'll sort the questions out from there. Thank you very much.